Hello friends, today I'm going to share a simple salad recipe with you. I'm a great fan of salads, especially in summer. I enjoy salads. Sometimes you don't have enough time to make elaborate fancy salads, so you can go for simple ones like this. Let's make cherry tomato and cucumber salad. It's just very easy to make with simple dressing and very enjoyable. Let's make it. Ingredients required for the salad: 1 English cucumber, thinly sliced. Wash it very well and slice it with the skin on. Cherry tomatoes, about a bowl full, cut into halves. Some basil leaves, select tender ones, we'll use them whole. Apple cider vinegar 1 tablespoon, you may also use balsamic vinegar. Few basil leaves finely chopped. Salt to taste. Mayonnaise 1 tablespoon. Crushed black pepper half teaspoon. Extra virgin olive oil 1 tablespoon. List is also shared in the description box, you can check it out. Now first we'll prepare the dressing. Take a pestle and mortar, add the chopped basil leaves. Little salt as required. And the mayonnaise. Here I have mint flavored mayonnaise. You can take the plain one also, any one that's available. If you don't have mayonnaise, you could use thick curd also instead. Apple cider vinegar, then the extra virgin olive oil. All these we are going to crush. By doing this, the flavors from the basil leaves also will be infused into the salad dressing. If you like your salads a bit sweeter, you could also add a little bit of honey to it. This way now the dressing is ready. We'll set it aside. Now take a large mixing bowl and add the salad ingredients. The cucumbers, the tomatoes, and the basil leaves. If you feel the basil leaves have a very strong flavor, then you can add baby spinach instead. Choice is yours, any kind of greens, just for color. Now stir in the prepared dressing. Give it a nice mix. Quick and easy salad, it hardly takes time to make it. It's done. Now we'll add little bit of salt and the crushed black pepper. Give it a final mix. And your salad is ready. You can enjoy it chilled or at room temperature. Transfer it into a serving bowl. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon. and choose the all option from the drop down menu so that you don't miss out any notification. And if you are enjoying my recipes, do share them with your friends as well. I love such simple, comforting salads. Just mix few ingredients, a simple dressing, and it's done. You can garnish with the sprig of basil leaves and a cherry tomato. Looks pretty. Simple and delectable salad is ready for you to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from my collection. Check them out as well. Have a nice day. Take care and bye-bye.